and welcome to the classroom. We were doing question answers of lesson 1, fight against malaria. Lesson 1, fight against malaria. Now see question number 13. What difference did Ross find between the stomach cells of the mosquito and the malarial cell? I think we haven't done question number 12 also, na? I have just explained it. Okay, move on to question number 12. Why did Ross think that there was something wrong with Manson's theory? Ross को ऐसा क्यों लगा कि डॉक्टर मैनसन की थ्योरी में कुछ गलत है? लंबे समय तक जब मलेरिया का पैरासाइट उनको मच्छर में नहीं मिला तो उन्हें लगा कि डॉक्टर मैनसन की थ्योरी में कुछ ना कुछ गलत है. Answer 12. Ross thought that there was something wrong with Dr. Manson's theory because after dissecting almost 1,000 of mosquito he did not find malarial parasite. He did not find malarial parasite. रॉस को ऐसा लगा कि कुछ ना कुछ गलत है डॉक्टर मैनसन की थ्योरी के लिए, क्योंकि हजारों मच्छरों के डिसेक्शन के बाद भी उन्हें मलेरिया का पैरासाइट नहीं मिला था. नेक्स्ट वन. What difference did Ross find between the stomach cells of the mosquito and the malarial cell? What difference means अंतर. क्या अंतर देखा रॉस ने stomach cells of a mosquito and the malarial cell? आपको याद है? Okay, you will tell and I will write. Okay, Ross found, we'll write it point wise, okay, so that it will be easier to memorize it. Ross found the following differences between the stomach cells of a mosquito and the malarial cell. ये डिफरेंसेस रॉस ने देखे स्टमक सेल्स ऑफ ए मॉस्किटो एंड द मलेरियल सेल. फर्स्ट वन इज मलेरियल सेल was circular. Remember? मलेरियल सेल कैसी थी? सर्कुलर थी, गोलाकार थी, जबकि मच्छर के पेट की कोशिका कैसी थी? लगभग रेक्टेंगुलर थी, है ना? मलेरियल सेल was circular. The outline of the malarial cell was sharper malarial cell was smaller malarial cell was smaller and the last one is there was a cluster of black, there was a cluster of black granules in each of the malarial cell. सभी मलेरिया की कोशिका में काले रंग के दानों का एक समूह था. तो you see these four differences between the malarial cell and the stomach cell of a mosquito. Malarial cell was circular, गोलाकार थी. The outline of the malarial cell was sharper, ज़्यादा गहरी थी. Malarial cell was smaller, मलेरिया की कोशिका छोटी थी. There was a cluster of black granules in each of the malarial cell. हर malarial cell में एक क्या था? काले दानों का एक समूह था. Let's see the next question. Question number 14. How did Ross conclude that those black rings in the stomach cells of the mosquito were malarial parasites? काले रंग के जो रिंग्स थे वो मलेरियल पैरासाइट हैं. इस बात को रॉस ने कैसे कंक्लूड किया? कैसे कंक्लूड किया? एक दिन बाद रॉस ने देखा कि वो क्या हो गए, साइज में बड़ी, और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे मच्छर के पेट से वो कहां आ गई, उसके प्रोबोसिस डंक में, और वहां से वो किसी भी विक्टिम के ब्लड स्ट्रीम में इंजेक्ट हो सकते थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Ross concluded that those black rings were malarial parasite because a day later it was seen that they had increased in size. They had increased in size. Then they traced from mosquitoes stomach to its proboscis. And from there through mosquitoes bite injected into the victim's bloodstream. Ross concluded that those black rings were malarial parasite because a day later it was seen that they had increased in size. Then they traced from mosquito's stomach to its proboscis, and from there through mosquito's bite injected into the victim's bloodstream. और उसके बाद वो कहाँ चले जाती थी? विक्टिम के ब्लड स्ट्रीम में. तो इस तरह से आदमी क्या होता था? मलेरिया का पेशेंट हो जाता था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई वाज रॉस's डिस्कवरी ग्लोरियस एंड मेमोरेबल? रॉस की ये खोज बहुत ही ग्लोरियस, बहुत शानदार और बहुत यादगार क्यों थी? बताएंगे? रॉस की इस खोज को बहुत ग्लोरियस और मेमोरेबल क्यों कहा गया है? This discovery was glorious and memorable, बहुत शानदार और यादगार थी क्योंकि इससे ना सिर्फ मलेरिया की रोकथाम, मलेरिया का इलाज संभव हो सका, बल्कि इसके द्वारा इस तरीके को अपनाकर वैज्ञानिकों ने और डॉक्टर्स ने कई अन्य बीमारियों का इलाज भी खोजा. आंसर 15. Ross's discovery was glorious and memorable because it not only led the way to prevention and successful treatment of malaria, successful treatment of malaria, but also but also it enabled doctors and scientists to tackle other tropical and non-tropical diseases, other tropical and non-tropical diseases by following the same line of attack, Okay, so this is your question number 15th. आंसर नंबर 15 रॉस की डिस्कवरी बहुत शानदार और यादगार थी, क्योंकि इससे ना सिर्फ मलेरिया की रोकथाम और उसका सफल इलाज संभव हो सका, बल्कि इसके द्वारा दूसरे डॉक्टर्स और साइंटिस्ट इनेबल हुए, सक्षम हुए कि उन्होंने कई अन्य ट्रॉपिकल और नॉन ट्रॉपिकल डिजीजेस का इलाज ढूंढा इसी रास्ते को अपनाकर, बाय फॉलोइंग द सेम लाइन ऑफ अटैक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what important work is the Ross Institute doing? Ross Institute, you have completed answer number 14? Okay, I'm going to wipe it out. आप बताएंगे कि what important work is the Ross Institute doing? कौन सा महत्वपूर्ण काम रॉस इंस्टीट्यूट कर रहा है? कौन सा महत्वपूर्ण काम कर रहा है? रॉस इंस्टीट्यूट कर रहा है विज्ञान की प्रगति के लिए और जो कष्ट पा रहे लोग हैं बीमारियों से, उनका कष्ट दूर करने के लिए। द रॉस इंस्टीट्यूट, आंसर 16, the Ross Institute is doing the important work for the advancement of science important work for the advancement of science and for the relief of suffering and for the relief of suffering. Next question, last question बल्कि, how does the credit of completion of the Panama Canal go to Ross? The credit of completion of Panama Canal go to Ross. कैसे कह सकते हैं आप कि पनामा कैनल के completion का क्रेडिट रॉस को जाता है? How? बताएंगे? पनामा कैनल के आसपास कौन सी डिजीज थी जो लोगों को बीमार कर रही थी? yellow fever, है ना? And who was that scientist who followed the method of Ross and stamp out yellow fever? William Crawford Gorgas. Try to remember the name of the scientist. It's very important. Okay? So, answer number 17. The credit of completion. The credit of completion of Panama Canal goes to Ross as the ingenious and navies who were constructing Panama Canal fell ill due to yellow fever. William Crawford Gorgas an American scientist followed Ross's method and stamped out yellow fever. The credit of completion of Panama Canal goes to Ross as the engineers and navies who were constructing Panama Canal fell ill due to yellow fever. William Crawford Gorgas, an American scientist, followed Ross's method and stamped out yellow fever. That's why the credit of completion of Panama Canal goes to Ross. Now some small exercises of vocab we are going to do. Exercise 3. Have you completed answer number 16? This one? Completed? Okay. Vocabulary. There are some words and there are some prefixes. You have to add prefixes in order to make the word antonym. आपको नीचे मिटा दो, हो गया है 17? Okay, write down. You know prefixes. Prefix is added before the word to make a new word. Suffixes are added after the word to make a new word. So we have some prefixes here. I am, IN, UN and DIS. These prefixes are added to words to make new words antonyms. Okay? Words are romantic, visible, patient, locate, countable, perfect, seen. Locate, countable, perfect, and the last word is seen. I write it here, okay? Seen, S-E-E-N. Now add and make new words. Fast. Seen. Shall I wipe it out? Okay. जो शब्द यहाँ लिखे हैं इनका आपको एंटोनिम बनाना है. एंटोनिम यानी what is antonym? Opposites. Antonym means opposites. Now see how can you make it? We'll make two columns, words and antonyms. Okay? Words शब्द और इसका एंटोनिम यानी उल्टा. ओके, कैरी ऑन. Seen, first word is seen. Now add which of the prefix? Unseen. Very good. Next one, romantic, unromantic, visible, invisible, invisible, patient, impatient, locate, dislocate, countable, it's very easy, countable, uncountable, very good, uncountable, perfect, imperfect, So, it's all over. See you in the next class. Thank you.